Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Izzuddin Azwar bin Abdul Razak and my matric number is CB200179. I am a student in the WBL program at Ecompile Sdn Berhad, which is a huge foundation and piling construction company in Malaysia. Okay, to begin, I would like to provide some information regarding this company. Compile is one of Malaysia's largest infrastructures and property development companies, building multi-level underground structures in challenging urban environments and piling and pile capping for highways and railways. This company has operated since 1987 until now. A Compile main goal is to provide clients with innovative, functional and cost-effective integrated solutions. Its large fleet of drilling rigs can build piles of any depth and diameter in any strata, boosting the company's strength. Next is related to the existing project at the Keramas Down construction site. So, as we can see, we propose development of 3 condominium blocks contains Block A, 14 floors and 223 units, Phase 1, for Block B, 40 floors, 213 units, Phase 1, Block C, 40 floors, 223 units, Phase 2, and next is Block D, 1 floor residential, 2 units, Phase 2, with 6 floors of ground level parking and recreation facilities on lots 3666, 3667 and 3668 Road, Kiara Village, Mukim Batu, Kuala Lumpur, for Mr. Keramas Development Sdn Berhad. Okay, for the next slide is site organization charts. For this company, the senior project manager is Bong Ju Ching, and help with site safety supervisor is Fahmi Haziq. Project engineer or QA/QC engineer is Muhammad Shazwan. Operation manager is Lee Kwan Ming, and under of them there is site supervisor Stevens and land surveyor Agus, and there is contract Lau Kayan and design coordinator which is Zahira. Pricing and contracting works. In order to participate in the tendering process, contractors who are interested in carrying out the bore pile construction project are required to submit competitive bids. This document provides an overview of the requirements, specification and any other pertinent details regarding the project. A document that is included with the tender is called the Bill of Quantities. The document contains a list of all different types of work that are going to be done for the construction project, along with the quantities and specification of each item. It provides contractors with a foundation upon which they can construct their cost estimates and bids using. Before submitting a tender, contractors are required to formulate an estimate of the costs that are associated with the construction of bore piles. In order to accomplish this, it is necessary to evaluate a number of factors, including the depth and the diameter of piles, the condition of the soil, the requirement for the equipment, the cost, labor and materials, and the overhead expenses. All these are the example of BQ for Keramas Down. Effective pricing and tendering process are crucial for successful bore pile construction project, as they ensure that the selected contractor can deliver the required work within budget and schedule constraint. So this is the example of the tendering bill of quantities. When it comes to bore pile construction, planning resources entails the methodical identification, allocation and management of a variety of resources that are required for the successful execution of the project. The construction of bore piles can require a variety of resources, including manpower, machinery and materials. The material, if the construction method for the bore pile method includes casing materials, then you should assign them. To ensure the drilling operation are carried out of the effective manner, it is essential to ensure that drilling fluids are readable and available. For the manpower, Identification and assignment of skilled labourers, including drillers, geotechnical engineers, supervisors, and safety officers, are among the tasks that need to be completed. A schedule that maximizes the utilization of labour resources throughout the various phases of the project should be developed as part of the labour scheduling process. Next, for the machinery, is selecting and allocating appropriate drilling rigs based on the requirement of the project, taking into consideration factors such as depth, diameter, and soil condition. This is an important step in the drilling process. In order to ensure that drilling and construction activities are carried out successfully, it is necessary to identify and assign support equipment such as a crane, concrete trucks, and other machinery. Establish a maintenance schedule in order to guarantee that the equipment will continue to be best possible working condition throughout the duration of the project. Next is detailed drawing, which is we can see few side and view for the site. Where is the entrance, which is we can see the green access and a few another, and we can see the legend here. And for the side view, we come closer the photo so we can see go deeper. The next slide is project scheduling. Actually, this is progress of work which is already started, and here there is about, here we can see the cut off date, summary progress tower B, summary progress tower C, and summary work done. So basically this is the progress of the site. Next thing we can see here is the drawing that follows is an example of bore pile drawing that has been finished. In the event that the bore pile process has not yet begun, the drawing is not highlighted at all. So we can see the blue circle, which is previous work done, 61 numbers of bore pile concreted, casted. So if the project not started yet, the drawing will just be in the white and black colors. Okay, for the handing over, in the process of bore pile construction, the handing over procedure signifies the completion of the construction work and transfer of the finished project from the contractor to the client or owner. This process consists a number of steps that are designed to guarantee that the bore pile construction project has been successfully completed in its entirety and the client has taken possession of structure that is fully functional and in compliance with the regulation. We move to the next slide, which is an example of a graphic drawing of a bore pile and also a pile cap that has been designed, and as we can see herewith are the measurement and the usage of rebar and shows how does the structure will get into. For the risk analysis, construction sites pose many risks that can compromise project safety, integrity, and completion. Underground conditions like unexpected soil complexities or unstable terrain can make excavation and foundation maintenance difficult. Earthquake, floods, and storms can damage structure and delay construction. Heavy machine accidents, collision, and equipment failures can damage structures, equipment, and personnel immediately and permanently. Uncareful construction can cause defect and damage to the built environment, utility interference, and service disruption, as well as extreme weather and temperature changes pose risk. Human errors, oversight, and safety violation can cause damage and accidents. Vandalism, theft, and unauthorized access also pose a risk to the construction site's security. Contractual disputes, liability issues, and low-quality materials complicate construction site risk management. Risk management must include thorough assessments, preventive measures, and effective communication to minimize this risk and ensure a successful construction project. Okay, for the conclusion is Understanding Bhopal construction tendering and pricing is essential to managing construction projects from start to finish. Contractors and project managers must understand tender process, cost estimation and tendering. Sound pricing strategy boosts a contractor's competitiveness in project acquisition and project financially viability and success. Bhopal construction requires careful planning, resource allocation and risk management. Contract negotiation, safety and environment compliance and timely construction completion determine a project success. Tendering, pricing and project management in Bhopal construction ensure high quality structures, lasting partnership and a solid reputation in the construction industry. When construction projects are finished, tendering and pricing skills become invaluable, enabling future endeavors and sustainable growth in the construction sector. That's all from me. Thank you for lending your ears. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.